up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So today we're going to start working on the roof skin of the panoramic roof. So I'm starting to grind it down to get ready for welding it onto the car. So I picked up a few flap discs. I have this 120, an 80, a 60, and a 36. So I started at 120 and it was just too slow. I saw a sprayway using a 60 grit, but I was trying this 36 grit on mine, which it was going down to bare metal pretty quick. But as I was doing it, I was like, this is stupid. So what I decided to do, and I gave you a kind of a hint last video, I actually have this. I had this since it came out, and that's the Contour SCT from Eastwood. I've had this for a long time, and I originally bought this just for my 69 Chevelle to bring it down to bare metal. But as I was doing the roof skin, it only made sense that I test it out, because I've had it for years just catching dust, and now it's time to use it. So let's go ahead and check this out. So let's see what actually comes in the box. Okay, so you get the handle with some Allen wrenches and some look like replacement brushes comes in it. You get the manual. And then you actually get the device itself. So it looks like this one actually only comes with the drum. I thought maybe you got more. But I did actually order the abrasive drum separately. I believe this is what we're going to use for rust and removing the paint. I believe this will also remove the paint, but we'll go ahead and test it out too. So right away, this is pretty nice. Look like you have some speeds. So this thing has 6 speeds, and it's like top heavy. This side's actually a lot heavier than where the handle is, so you're definitely gonna need that handle to grip it. But I can see you getting tired off using this thing, because this thing it's heavy. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and try it out. So before you start this, you want to wear a pair of gloves, because I hear the Eastwood Contour SCT can kick back material onto your hands. Wear some gloves and some safety glasses. So first I'm going to show you with the 36 grit how it strips compared to the Eastwood. So you can see it does a decent job of stripping. So now let's try the Eastwood. So we're going to be trying out the abrasive disc. The other disc was the finishing disc, and it's really meant for finishing metal after it's being stripped. It can strip the metal or strip the paint from the metal, but it's really made for the finishing, like on the bare metal side. But let's try the SCT with the abrasive drum on it. Yeah, so after using it, I wouldn't say it's quicker than using the flap disc, The finish is better. That's the biggest thing, because like from here over, that's the Eastwood Contour SCT, and then this part right here is from the 36 grit flap disc. So it definitely looks better at the end than using a flap disc. But speed wise, I still think the flap disc was quicker, especially down the 36 grit. Now I don't know what grit the abrasive drum is supposed to be, but that's, if you want your metal super clean and shiny, the Eastwood is the winner. And then I don't know, if I did the flap disc a little longer, it may come close to that, but you can see how cloudy it is over here, and that looks like brand new metal right there. I think the Eastwood was definitely louder. It was louder than the flap disc on the angle grinder. But anyway, this is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.